I bring to you another mind-blowing recipe that will not only boost your hair growth, but this hair butter has so much slip that it will prevent dry hair breakages, hair fall, or hair thinning. Ever since I did my big chop, natural ingredients has been part of my hair growth journey and my hair is flourishing. If you want to know how I do this hair butter to help prevent hair breakages and also help me grow my hair much faster, then make sure you are watching this video to the end. Let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So I'm going to show you how to make the best flaxseed hair butter for hair growth. Adding flaxseed to this recipe will boost the benefits of this hair butter, as well as adding some slip to it to prevent hair breakages. But you all know how we do it here, girl. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up right now. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you'll be notified. On this channel, I do a lot of DIYs using natural ingredients that can help boost your hair growth, as well as simple hairstyle tutorials. Okay, so that was my flaxseed. I boiled it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And make sure you're always straining your flaxseed gel whilst it's still hot. So this is what we have now. We're going to set it aside and we're going to move on to the next step.